Updating your payout destination on Yahoo Mail is an important step to ensure you receive payments correctly. Follow these steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Log into your Yahoo Mail account. Open your web browser and go to the Yahoo Mail login page. Enter your email address and password to access your accounts. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, locate the gear icon in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it to open the drop-down menu, then select More Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Payment Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Payment or Payouts. Click on this option to view your current payout destination and other related settings. Step 4. Update your payout destination. Within the payment settings, find the option to edit or change your payout destination. Enter the new payment information such as your bank account details or payment service account as required. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payout destination, make sure to review the information for accuracy. And click the Save button to confirm your changes and ensure they are updated in your account. By following these steps, you can successfully update your payout destination on Yahoo Mail. Make sure to check your email for any confirmation regarding the changes made.